Hello guys, do you want to learn how to add music to your YouTube video without having copyright strike? You want copyright free music you can add to your videos so that your video can be more engaging and entertaining? Well, you're on the right video. As you can see, I'm in one of my new channels that I'm trying to build. So I'll go straight to the point and edit one. Let me edit one. First of all, you have to go to studio.youtube.com. Yeah, where you edit your content that you post online. So when you get to studio.youtube.com, or you click customize channel in your YouTube channel, the button customize channel. Let me see if I have one of my pages here. Okay. Yeah, you click this button customize channel, then it will take you to this place. Yeah, it will bring you here. You click on contents and it brings you to this page. You select the video that you want to add music to. I'll work on this one. Then I'll go to editor. I'll click editor, then audio. It will provide me lists of songs, hundreds of them. You are free to choose anyone. You are free to choose anyone to add to your content. So before you add, you can listen to the songs, to the musics by clicking this play button. And if you make your choice, you then click add. Yeah. So I've added this music now to my video. I can adjust the volume here. Yeah. And to tell you it's copyright free, you should not be scared of using it. You click these three dots and click on license info. When you click on license info, you can see I said you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. You may credit the artist and link the audio library from your video. You may not make available or distribute or perform the music files from this library separately from videos or other content into which you have incorporated this music and file. In other words, as long as you don't use it for commercial purpose and you don't spread it, you're free to use it. But I also want to bring your notice to any audio you see that has this double C. Let's view details and what it says. Now, you can use it without copyright strike, but you have to give credit. So in your description, you have to copy this credit. When you copy it, done. You go to details of your, okay, I have to save first. I don't need this audio on this video, so there is no need saving this video. I can remove it. Yeah, but if you add the audio, before you can do anything, make sure you click save before it will reflect in your video. Then you go to details, and in your description here you paste that Creative Commons. Yeah, just like that, and you are free to use it. You will not receive any copyright strike from YouTube because you obeyed what they said you should do. So as I don't need it, I would take it out. So that's it, guys. When you do finish, you click save, and you now have songs, music in your video without any fear of copyright issue. So if you found this video engaging and you found it helpful, feel free to share, like, and support this channel. Subscribe to this channel, please, and I will see you next time.